Alright guys, today we're going to have a little bit of fun. A lot of people like to damage things, and sometimes there's things that car washes do and other people do to your paint, and there's a lot of stuff that can cause problems. So what we're looking at here is the just a repainted hood. It wasn't painted the greatest. There's a bunch of little trash and dirt nibs and whatnot and orange peel, and either which way, it was a hood that was repainted. And the paint's not in terrible condition here, for considering some haziness and whatnot. But we're gonna see if we can make it worse and try to make it better after that. So first thing, we've got some steel wool. That's always some pretty aggressive stuff, but let's start off with the lighter stuff and just kind of see where it goes from there. So we got little magic eraser sponge, and just for fun, we're gonna get one of our old, we'll find some of these old cleaning cloths, a nice dirty one. These are what we use to maybe like clean the inside of a wheel well. There's a bunch of dirt there. Cool. Let's do what these car washes do. They love to just drop crap on the floor. We're gonna take it and there we go, nice and gritty, because they drop them, they pick them up, they drop them. Hopefully that's got something in there. Let's see what that does. Okay, so let's get that all up and in there. Give it a good scrub, because that's how you clean things, right? You scrub really hard. Okay. All right, let's see what we just did. Let me get this in an area where it doesn't screw up my own tools. Okay, look at that. There you go. That's pretty freaking noticeable. There's a bunch of dirt there too. I gotta clean that off in a second. That's pretty bad. Towel swirls, obviously done in a circular motion, as you can see. So it's pretty bad. We'll use this little dot here, the little windshield wiper holder. Okay, so that's pretty ugly. But let's just go another level. Here, look, like magic eraser. Like, oh, let me go ahead and magic erase the car. I'm gonna get this spot here for you, sir. I'm gonna put some wax on there, because yeah, that's how we're the best. So, not to offend people, but I do see this. I literally see this. I'm not trying to be offensive, but man, oh man, I do see a lot of bad stuff out there. People just don't know. Well, my goodness, that magic eraser has taken us to the super swirl level here. That's pretty jacked up. I'd be upset. I'd be a little bit upset if somebody did that to my car. But it happens all the time. Just one car wash, boom, they pick up that dirty towel. You saw that first part. That's what happens. Fresh paint. Let's go a whole nother level. Steel wool. And let's do these in nice straight up and down lines. Oh God, this is just awful. Man, that's scratching deep too. Holy smokes. Okay. Well, I don't think most people are running around with steel wool scratching your car, but who knows? And tell you what, let's just wipe off this excess steel wool dust. And dear goodness, we took this, and this doesn't look very pretty at all. So let's look at this with the light. Oh boy. That's not good. I should have ceramic coated it. Might have made it a little bit better. This is certainly not. Okay, so let's see, because that is some deep scratching. We're gonna have to wet sand that. There's a bunch of deep scratches now. Let's just make this even more fun. Let's go get a steel brush. Might as well just use a razor blade. This is like one of the most aggressive steel brushes. And let's just, maybe let's just go with some sideways going the other way. So we had, the rags going in a circle, the magic eraser kind of at a diagonal, and a little bit of circles. We've obviously gone up and down with the steel wool. You can very clearly see that. And let's go ahead and go sideways. Oh man. Oh, I can feel it. It's like scratching a chalkboard. This is awful. Okay. Yeah, let's just... Okay, that's terrible. Oh, those are deep. Okay, but... Oh, man. Let's see what we can do. That is just awful. Let's put the light on that. Let's take a real close look. Holy smokes. Oh, man, it's like... Look at this. Look at that. Oh, my God. All right, cool. So, there's our little marker dot. We're gonna use that so we kind of know this is a little area we're working in, and we will go from there. Let's see what we can do. Okay, guys, so we are back. And like I said, the main idea here is to see, hey, look, you can see my face now. To get some improvement. Not perfection, I mean, I could keep going. The idea was do it quick, make it better. You know, like I said, this hood's, you know, got some imperfections as it is, you know, trying to get it all right. So we'll start over here, just taking another gander at our area that we, you know, we had some fun with. This is a two-part video. We're gonna join it into one, but just in case, you know, we used a gritty rag, some steel wool, a magic eraser, and these big, deep, long, you know, right to left lines. It's from a brush, a brass brush, just like basically like scratching with razor blades. It's awful. So just trying to see, you know, we got, you know, a little bit of an improvement here. There's still a little bit of haze. I didn't go that far. You know, we could polish it, we could jewel it, but here's the idea. You know, some seriousness, less serious, horrible, not as bad. So be careful out there. Be careful who you let touch your car. All right, guys. Hope this was helpful.